Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to Rainbow Learn to Use 2000 series 2024. In this video, I'm going to talk about trends along with Fountain of Gold setup. What are the trends within Fountain of Gold setup? How do we look at trends? So for this, let's start. First of all, how to bring the Fountain of Gold setup, or the Fountain of Gold setup is a group of indicators for specific purpose. It's a multi-asset, multi-time frame trading. You click SD Rainbow Wave V1 version 1, that will bring on the SD Rainbow Asset Master on your chart, and you can select different asset class with this. If you're not sure which one to apply, you can apply the mother setup or the Fountain of Gold. Apply. Also, you need the SD RSI X to complete the Fountain of Gold setup, which is a 12-factor setup. Now, in this setup, let me take you to a familiar chart which you will be able to relate, which is Angel 1. It was a good trade. I'm focusing trading this based on weekly chart. This green lower level of risk, this was what attracted me in Angel 1. Very low level of risk. Minimum stop was sustaining above this yellow flat line. And you know the flat line act as supports. Anyway, in this one, we are going to discuss about trends. Now, what this chart is, let's come down to the daily chart. So this is the daily chart of Angel 1. And in the right side of the panel, which is the analytics table, I'll increase the analytic table size. You can see the top 3 readings are long trend, medium trend, and short trend. So there are 3 readings of the trend. Now, when you are in the daily chart, आपको ऐसा लग सकता है, you may feel, अच्छा लॉन्ग ट्रेंड बोल रहे हैं मतलब चलो शायद वीकली चार्ट या मंथली चार्ट के बेसिस पे आ रहा है. ऐसा बिल्कुल ही नहीं. इन दिस कॉन्सेप्ट, ये ट्रेंड का कॉन्सेप्ट थोड़ा डिफरेंट है इन द फाउंटेन ऑफ गोल्ड. Within each time frame, be it daily chart, weekly chart, monthly chart, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, whichever type of chart, there exist 3 prominent trends: long-term trend, medium-term trend, and the short-term trend. Which each time frame has these 3 trends. That's why, because it is hitting it structurally, that's why this can be applied as a multi-time frame setup. It works across the asset class and across the time frame. So each time frame has 3 distinguishable trends: long trend, medium term trend, and the short term trend. Now in my setup, this yellow or the orange line is the long term trend line. This ये जो line आप देख रहे हो, this line particularly, let me change the color to it. Option short line 2. This line is the long term trend line. This red line is the medium term trend line. And the background color is actually the short-term trend. So this orange line is the long-term trend line, red line is the medium-term trend line, and short-term trend is denoted by the background color. If the background color is green, short-term trend is bullish. If the background color is red, short-term trend is bearish. And if the background color is yellow, that means short-term trend is neutral. Now, sometimes say let's go to Angel One weekly chart. You can see the price is currently above both the medium term trend line as well as this long term trend line. However, in the table you can see the reading is neutral and medium term trend is also showing neutral, not bullish. That's why though it is a trend line, the calculations are here a bit different. One of the key conditions is this special type of candle, which is Shihan Murnoashi candle. So this candle has to cross over these lines. Currently, both the candle is or the trend lines are crossing within the candles. That's why the trends, long-term trend, medium-term trend, those are still showing the neutral. And once again, each say, when we say long, medium, short, it is specific to this current time frame that we are looking is the weekly chart. The daily chart, if we go, the readings can be different. You saw all the trends are bullish. Here the candle is well above both the lines. So this is about trend. Trend is measured via these three: long, medium, and short-term trend. I hope this video makes it clear to you how trend idea is there within the fountain of gold. So you don't make a mistake. You might think the price is above the price. Why it's not changing in the table? There are calculations are fine. It are different than your regular setup. So that's all, friends. Thank you so much for watching this We Learn to series video. All the best from my side to your trading. And as always, happy trading.